Hi everyone, today we discussing about Vision 2020. The Right to Sight is the global initiative for the elimination of avoidable blindness. It is a joint program of the World Health Organization, WHO, and the International Agency for the Prevention of Blindness, IAPB. The mission of the Vision 2020 global initiative is to eliminate the main causes of all preventable and treatable blindness as a public health issue by the year 2020. The objectives are: raise the profile among the key audiences of the causes of avoidable blindness and the solutions that will help to eliminate the problem. Identify and secure the necessary resources around the world in order to provide an increased level of prevention and treatment programs. Facilitate the planning, development and implementation of the 3-4 Vision 2020 strategies by national programs. Target disease Vision 2020: cataract, refractive error, trachoma, childhood blindness, low vision. Other diseases are river blindness, glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, age-related macular degeneration, gender and blindness, vitamin A deficiency.
Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe our channel.